Okay, we're going to try to finish this up now. So we had done number 2. The crustal feature is an earthquake and a St. Andreas fault. Number 3, where 2 ocean plates pull away from each other in the mid-ocean ridge. What is the boundary called? It's a divergent boundary. And what crustal feature forms here? The mid-Atlantic ridge. So you've got to go find the middle of an ocean plate. The middle of the Atlantic Ocean's right here. So we would have the mid-ocean ridge, mid-Atlantic ridge right there would be one. This is also a crustal plate that's pulling apart there as well. And so this would be a number 4. Did I label a number 3? Or that's a number 3, sorry. We're 2 ocean plates, so that's a number 3. That's your number 3 there. Number 4, where 2 ocean plates move toward each other. What is the name of this type of boundary? Well, we're going to have 2 ocean plates. So this is an ocean plate. This is an ocean plate. This island arc right here is the Aleutian Islands. And so we're going to get a trench and an island arc because we're going to have some subduction that happens. Anytime subduction, one goes under the other. So this is going to be our number 4 up here. We also learned that Japan is a number 4 and the Philippines is a number 4 as well. So those could be your number 4s. And number 5, label with a number 5 where an ocean plate collides with a continental plate. What is the boundary called? It's a convergent boundary. And that convergent boundary is between an oceanic and a continental. And that happens in the northwest right here. These two come together. You get the Cascade Mountains. So this would be a number 5 here. And then it also happens, another famous is the Andes Mountains here. So this would also be a number 5. So you're going to always get a trench. Anytime you have subduction, a trench, and then you're going to get a volcanic mountain range. We have a trench and a volcanic mountain range. If it's 2 ocean plates, you're going to get a trench and you're going to get volcanic islands there, volcanic islands. So that's it. Good luck on your test. See you later.